In this video, I'm going to show you how to update a contact using Zoho CRM in n8n, step by step. This is a quick and useful workflow if you want to keep your CRM data accurate, automate contact updates, and save time by letting n8n handle the process for you. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple automation guides. Now let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want inside n8n. Make sure you're in the correct workflow before adding anything new, because this is where your contact update action will live. Once the workflow is open, look over to the Nodes panel. In the Nodes panel, search for and choose Zoho CRM. This is the integration you need for working with the contact data in Barney's Zoho CRM. After selecting Zoho CRM, you'll see a list of available actions. From there, choose Update a Contact. This action is specifically used when you want to edit an existing contact record instead of creating a new one. Now it's time to configure what you want to update. Enter the required contact details and map the fields you want to change, such as name, email, phone number, or any other available contact information. Be careful to match the right values to the right fields so the update goes to the correct contact record. Once everything is configured, review your setup one more time to make sure the workflow is pointing to the correct contact and the correct fields are being updated. After that, you're ready to run the workflow and let n8n update the contact in Zoho CRM automatically. And that's it. You've now updated a contact using Zoho CRM in n8n. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more n8n automation tutorials.